Gastropods are the largest group. It includes snails and slugs that live above and below the waterline, from the common garden variety through to vividly coloured nudibranchs. Bivalves are another dominant class. Their hinged shell protects a delicate interior. Clams, mussels and oysters all belong to this group. The third largest class of mollusks are the cephalopods. They are the only group where all members are marine animals. Most lack the characteristic shell that is synonymous with the phylum, but that doesn't mean it's disappeared completely.